You might remember this video I made about Scratch Lab. Basically, when they did the new update, it was foreshadowed on Scratch Lab. And there were two other blocks they were showing at the moment, and I showed them. But now, look at this. Scratch Lab update. And lights, camera, action, experimental video sprites blocks are live on Scratch Lab. Explore the blocks and share your feedback. So let's click, and as you can see, we're on Scratch Lab's website now, and they have new blocks. So let's just check them out. We can see here, which was only updated a few days ago, and fill sprites with live video, which is pretty cool. So let's first look at what's going to be here. So click the fill sprite with camera block, and as you can see, this is very cool. So they had the default Scratch Cat block, and this girl just clicked on this, and Scratch Cat, like the face and everything, was deleted, and it replaced with her. So that's pretty cool. And you can also fill a certain color, so you don't have to fill the whole sprite. And you can even change stuff with it. So if you fill your sprite with the camera and then you change whirl effect, your camera will also be done with the whirl effect. And as you can see here, we've got some starter projects. We've got a video kaleidoscope, like that one effect you have on cameras. We have binoculars and space dog. I don't know about that one. Alright, let's watch this video they have here. And they've got something like YouTube here. They made their own video player, so let's watch. Okay, so as you can see here, that's what we saw before. You just click on it, and there she is. And that's the whirl effect. I don't know when that's going to be used, but it's pretty funny. Oh yeah, that's a kaleidoscope, and it's actually pretty cool. Okay, so Scratch Lab video sprite. And we don't want to watch the whole thing, so we can see here. And if we skip forward, it's this guy, and we can see he is in the star sprite, and you can actually clone it. Look at that. And here you can see the future where he'll just fill this part, and it looks like he's in the truck, and he can even move himself. And you can see more, and some more cool effects. Look at that, guys. Alright. And that's it. So let's look at the actual sprites now. Click on try it out, and it immediately loaded us in with the video sprites. But I think if this was ever implemented, it would go in extensions. And as you can see here, we've got music, pen, and before video sensing, we've got video sprites with this Scratch Cat space. You know, something I've noticed this while is that Scratch Cat has been doing a lot of space stuff. And they even went to space before, so where are they planning now? I don't know. Alright, so let's go back. And these are the 5 ones, okay? So we've got the stop filling with camera. So if you've been filling it with the camera, then you're just going to stop. Fill sprite with camera. You're going to fill the whole sprite with the camera, and then fill color. So you can, oh, just went black there, accidentally clicked on it. Let me just see it. And we've got fill color with camera. And as you can see here, I've got the color picker. So I can click on white, click on black, anything I want. Then we can change camera zoom. So if we want to zoom in on the camera, that's what we're going to do. Or we can zoom out too. And set camera zoom. So those are the blocks. And they've got this pretty cool design here. And if you contrast them with the video sensing, they also have 4 blocks. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And click on this video for more stuff about the Scratch Lab.